Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Gbolahan Space. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Elementor and Elementor Pro on your WordPress dashboard. In case you're new to WordPress, this is how your WordPress dashboard looks like. And what you have to do next is you have to go to plugins. So after clicking on plugins, you see something like this. Then you have to click on add new plugins. So then you come to this search bar, you search for Elementor. So Elementor is loading. So this is your Elementor right here. All you have to do is install. Okay. Then you click on activate. Then you can just keep this area at least for now, or just cancel it here. Okay, I think we are good. Automatically, once you install the Elementor plugin, you will see the Elementor on at this sidebar here. So this is your Elementor. Let's click on Elementor so you can see everything that entails Elementor. So this is how this is what you will see here. Automatically you've installed your Elementor. So now we have to install Elementor Pro because there are some features, there are some elements you won't be able to use on Elementor, that it is only the Pro version you can get them from. So I have my Elementor Pro right here, and let's proceed to install it. So you have to go to plugins again to install the Elementor Pro. You click on add new plugin, then you click on upload plugin again. Right now you won't search through this search bar. You click on upload plugin because you have the Elementor Pro already. So I'll click on this, click on choose file, then let me check where my Elementor is. Okay, so this is my Elementor Pro right here. So now let me upload it and install. So you have to give it a little bit of time, so it would install automatically once it has gotten to 100%. So it's still loading, it's still installing. Let's wait a little bit for it to install. So right now we have our Elementor installed on our WordPress dashboard. So now we have to activate it just like we did for the free version. So you activate plugin here. So this is our Elementor, this is our Elementor Pro. Automatically we have both of them here right now. So now let's check to see if truly we have them. So I will just create, okay, let me just use this sample page here. You can click on the sample page. So let's have an evidence that our Elementor is right there working. So once you create a new page, or maybe an existing page, and you see edit with Elementor, definitely we have our Elementor installed correctly. So can you see? So here we are. So you can do whatever you want to do you can edit and create your page and design your page. So that's all in this video. If you're coming across this video for the first time, or you're coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can keep getting more WordPress updates and ideas from my channel. Thank you.